All the good vibes running through my mind. Nothing can stop me, I'm on a high. All the good vibes running through my mind.
Hey loves, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Ariane Styles, and from the title you can tell we are back with another bomb install, and this unit is from LUVMEHAIR.com. And I don't need to say anything else. You can see that it's looking amazing. So if you want to see how I got this install all together, then keep on watching. Okay loves, so we are back with another hair video. Today's unit is from LUVMEHAIR.com. This is a 16-inch 5x5 lace closure unit, and I'm loving this one. I've been loving closures lately. They're so easy, so versatile, very, very simple, and it's just made for your everyday girl that's not a hairstylist. Yep, that's me. This is why I love my closure units. This one in particular is definitely my style. I love a curly unit. I did go in and bleach the knots of this unit before. I've also plucked the unit, but you don't have to do that. So I'm getting into installing it now. And I'm just installing it using the Got To Be spray like I always do, and the tension method, just finessing it a little bit. But there's nothing to it more than the glue, little pressure upon the lace, and that is it, right? So I'm using this elastic band that you sometimes get in your packages, or you can just use a regular elastic band to give it as much tension as possible while you cut the lace and do all of that good stuff. But after you've laid it the way you want it, probably did your baby hairs and stuff like that, you can go in with a satin scarf so it doesn't leave a line of demarcation. But look at this lace, guys. I'm just going in with a little foundation to just conceal it a little bit. But other than that, the lace is flawless. Like, it's looking bomb. This is me cutting my little whiskers to the side. You can skip this because it didn't really show. The hair was very voluminous, like it was very big and dramatic, just the way I like it. So you don't really need to do this. You don't really need to, add any baby hairs. But if you want to, go ahead. Your head, nobody can tell you how to do your hair, right? So yeah, do it however you want to. So I'm going in with my satin scarf, like I said before, and this is like my final laying process, or I'll do this sometimes while I'm flattening out the top using my hot comb, as I'm doing right now. If you do not want straighter roots, you can skip this, but why wouldn't you want it, right? It just kind of helps the unit not look too humpy or frumpy. Like, it just does it for me. So I go in with my hot comb. Again, just showing you a little lace action, like bomb, right? Amazing. I'm loving this unit. So after I'm done with all of this, I'm gonna go in with some water to just like loosen up the curls, the tight coils. And I'm going in with a little deep conditioner as well, so that it kind of prevents it from poofing out too quickly. You don't have to comb the unit out either. You can wear it just like this because the curls are beautiful. You just need to add probably some conditioner or just wet your hand a little bit, but you don't need to comb through the curls. I actually love this pattern, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looked. Be right back to show you, everything once my makeup is done. The unit is easy to comb through. You will get a little bit of shedding because curly units tend to do that, but it's nothing wrong with the quality of the unit. It's just how it works for curly hair. And obviously you are adding a lot more tension to it to loosen up the curls and whatnot. So this is the way it looks in its wet state or its damp state, because I didn't wet it too much. But obviously if you wet it a little bit more, the coils will be a little bit bigger. I just love the texture of this hair. It gives you all the drama and the only drama that you need. So I'll definitely recommend that you guys go and grab this one. This is 180% density. Obviously you can go down with the density if you would like. But yeah, this unit is amazing and I love it. If you did, don't forget to leave your comments down below, of course, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. end of this bomb install. Again, this unit is from LUVMEHAIR.com. All the specs and all the details will be linked in the description box below. Also, it'll be on the screen here for you. So if you're interested in grabbing your unit from LUVMEHAIR.com, click the link in the description box below, because this unit is one you don't want to miss. It's amazing. I love the curls, the pattern, I love the style, I love the volume. It gives all the drama and the only drama that you need in your life. So go ahead and grab yours. This is the perfect fall unit. As you can see, I'm wearing it with this, chocolate brown look, and it is amazing. So go ahead and check that out. If you did enjoy this install, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. Also, follow me on Instagram for everything beauty, fashion, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.